So hello everybody. You people know that we are dealing with exponent. Exponent. Please concentrate on this word exponent. Now this very word exponent also means index, or you can refer it as a power. Now what is this exponent, index and power? Now let's have a look at a number, for example 6 square. You can see that this number, numerical value 6, is written bigger, and this particular number 2 is written in, you can say, smaller than the previous one. Therefore, this particular number, first of all try to understand what actually is exponent. So this 2 is your exponent, or you can say that this is your index or this is your power also. Now what is the function of 2 over here? Let us see. So this 6 square means 6 multiplied by 6. If it would be 6 cube, then it would be 6 into 6 into 6. This means that the exponent over here is actually the repetition, number of times the numerical value have been repeated. So you can say that we are actually talking about repetition of any numerical value, Please do not find the value of 6 square as 6 into 2. Never ever do this, because 2 here symbolizes the number of times 6 have been repeated. Number of times the 6 has been repeated. This means here 6 has been repeated 3 times, here 6 has been repeated 2 times. In multiplication format. This is what is exponent, and we shall be dealing exclusively in this. So let us come to exercise 5a, and your exercise 5a deals with varieties of sum. So as we keep on proceeding, we'll find that there are variations in the sum. Like when we talk about number 1, they say that find the value. They are talking about the value of 6 square. But 6 square means what? 6 square means that 6 has been repeated 2 times. Means 6 6s are 36. Let's come to 7 cube. So 7 cube or 7 to the power 3 means 7 has been repeated 3 times. 7 times 7 times 7, and when you will multiply it, I'm sure you will get 343. Let's come to 4 to the power 4. So 4 to the power 4 means 4 has been repeated 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, on multiplication, you will get 256. Similarly, when you talk about 8 to the power 3, 8 to the power 3, this means 8 has been repeated 3 times. 8 times 8 times 8 is equal to, you will get a value 512. Similarly, you can find out the value of 7 to the power 5 or 5 to the power 5. Means you have to multiply 7, repeat 7 5 times, repeat 5 in its multiplication form 5 times. So I hope the concept is clear. Now proceeding on to the next one, that is number 2, what we find that, proceeding on to the next one, what we find is evaluate. Again you have evaluation, means find the value of value. Again in number 2 you have find the value. 2 to the power 3, here we have 2 to the power 3 into 4 square, 4 to the power 2. So therefore you people are going to find the value of this particular number and this particular number separately and then multiply it. For example, 2 to the power 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, and here 4 to the power 2 means 4 times 4. So let us see, 4 times 4 will give you 16, while this 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 8. So 8 times 16 will be equal to 128. 128. Okay. Let's have a look at the other one. Like for example, 3 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. 3 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. This means 3 to the power 3 means 3 times 3 times 3, and 5 to the power 2 means 5 times 5. 5 has been repeated 2 times. Therefore 3 times 3 times 3 will give you how much? It will give you 9, while 5 into 5 will give you 25, and when you multiply this, sorry, not 9, it is 27. Sometimes I get confused. 27. So 27 into 25 will give you 675. Let's come to the other one. 3 square. 3 square and 5 cube, which you will do it. Let us do something bigger. 5 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4. So my dear, 5 to the power 3 means 5 times 5 times 5, and 2 to the power 4 means 2 will be multiplied 4 times. 2 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here you are going to get 16, while 5 times 5 times 5 will be 125. When you multiply it, it's natural you will get 2000. I hope the concept of this particular exponent is very clear. Now when you look at the other sums, okay, let us proceed to the other one. And what I find that the level has increased. Every time the level has increased. For example, when you would look at the 8th one, you will get 4 into 3 to the power 3. 4 into 3 to the power 3. This means that this 3 belongs to this 3 also, and this power belongs to this 4 also. This means I will be writing the same as 4 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 3. See how I broke it. I have broken it because here, since they are in multiplication form, this particular 3 became the power of both of them. If this would have been in addition form, agar, if 4 plus 3 to the power 3 would have been there, you cannot break this as 4 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3. You cannot break this. However, you can add these two, 4 plus 3, 7 to the power 3, and you would find the answer yourself. Okay? So let us see. Now my same sum became 4 into 4 into 4 into this 3 cube became 3 into 3 into 3. Now 4 times 4 times 4 will be 64, while 3 times 3 times 3 will be 27. So you are going to get a value 1728. Simple multiplication. Similarly, have a look at 5, the similar type of sum. 5 into 4 to the power 2. So as I said that whatever we have done over here, we will be applying the same trick. 5, this 2 will become the power of this 5, and this 2 will become the power of this 4. Therefore 5 square means 5 times 5. 5 will be repeated 2 times, and this 4 will also be repeated 2 times. Therefore you will get a value 5 5s are 25 times 4 4s are 16. When you multiply, you are bound to get 400. So I hope that this was loud and clear. Proceeding on to the other sums. Okay. What we have in number 3, evaluate. Evaluate means you have to find the value. For example, here we have 3 by 4 to the power 4 raised 3, or you can say 3 by 4 raised to the power 4. So we'll apply the same trick. This 3 by 4 is one number. This 3 by 4 is one number. This 3 by 4 is one number. Since this is one number, naturally this 3 by 4 will be repeated 4 times. So let us check. This can be written as 3 by 4 times 3 by 4 times 3 by 4 times 3 by 4. Isn't it? Or you can write the same as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 by 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, and when you multiply this, you will be getting 81 by 256. Where lies the problem? Where lies the problem? Here lies the problem when you have minus 5 by 6 to the power 5. This was the second one. Okay, we are dealing with number 3. So what they have done, they have given you minus. Now a negative number multiplied odd number of times will give a negative value. This is what you know. However, we shall carry on with the process or the previous process. How? Minus 5 by 6. I would be writing better. I would be mentioning this as minus 5 by 6 multiplied by minus 5 by 6 into minus 5 by 6 into minus 5 by 6 into minus 5 by 6. You can put this in bracket also. You can put this in bracket also, isn't it? Let us put this in bracket. Okay, even if you do not put, there is no problem. However, here when you would multiply this, or when you would segregate this in this particular format, so you can write this in a better way, that is minus 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 by 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. What I have done is I have multiplied minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Instead of doing all this kind of stuffs, you can directly write minus over here. Why? Because here you have an odd power, odd number. Since you have an odd number, therefore the negative number will always persist. तो multiply करते हैं. Let's multiply. So on multiplication, I am sure you will get a value 3125 by 776. 776 as your solution. Okay? As your solution. I don't think we'll have 776. Let's check. Okay, once again, if I am little wrong. Okay, if I am wrong, so here we have 36 times 6 will have 776. Sorry, 776. Great. So I hope you people have understood the concept. See, our main function is to build the concept, not to do the sums. Okay. Since we have already done up till 3, why not to complete 4 also? Okay, because it's very easy. It will hardly take about 3 to 4 minutes. So in number 4, what we have? 2 by 3 to the power 3 times 3 by 4 to the power 2. Okay. This is what our sum is. So if this is our sum, how are we going to solve this? So naturally the same trick. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. 3 by 4 has been repeated 2 times, and 2 by 3 has been repeated 3 times because the power is 3. Now you can check whether they cancel it or not. Okay, let's see whether they cancel it or not. So instead of multiplying, you people can cancel it over here. 3 will get cancelled, 3 will get cancelled. Okay, similarly 2 times 4 will get cancelled. 2 times. So finally, what are you going to get? 1. Here you have 3, and here you have 2. So 3 times 2 will give you 6. So 1 by 6 is your final solution. थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं. We have minus 3 by 4 to the power 3 into 2 by 3 to the power 4, and I'm damn sure you people can solve it. So here minus 3 by 4 to the power 3 can be written as minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 minus 3 times by 4 minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4, so that you people do not get confused. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, and once again. Let's check whether they get cancelled or not. So 2 2s are 4, 1 4 will go. Again 2 times 2 4, 1 4 will go, isn't it? Now have a look. This 3 will go, this 3 will go, this 3 will go, Remember one thing, that only 3 is getting cancelled, not the minus sign. Minus sign still remains. That is why I told you in the beginning that instead of multiplying this 3 times, you can directly write only 1. I wrote so that you people do not get confused. Therefore, here you will get, here what remains? Remains this 3 and 4 remains, and this 3 negative sign remains. Therefore, we will finally get a solution as minus into minus into minus will get minus 1, while here 4 times 3 will be equal to 12. I am sure you have understood up till here, and you can do the last one, which is very, very easy. Okay? Thank you, my dear. Have a great day. Soon we will be starting with the other one.